Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So LTX 2.5 just dropped, and right alongside it, Lycon Studio has released their MSR version 1 that's multiple subject reference built specifically for LTX 2.5. So today, we're going to test it out and see what it's actually capable of, and also compare it with LTX 2.3. This is the GitHub page for the MSR, and you can download the nodes from here. It's pretty easy. You just copy the code from here, go to your ComfyUI portable folder, head into your custom nodes, open up a command prompt right here, and just type git clone, paste the code, and you'll download the custom nodes. And just update your ComfyUI as well if it's not showing up after the install. They've also provided a workflow with this release. We're going to use that. I'm using that only, but made a few changes with it to get better results. And over here, you can find the LoRa on the Hugging Face website. As you can see, it's a 1.3 1 gigabytes file, and it supports up to 5 reference images and preserves multiple characters really well. We will also test out the previous MSR, the LTX 2.3 version, with this as well, see how much better it actually is. So here are a few examples. Like, they're claiming this is Minimax H3, or they've used a very low height and width, and this is their Lycon Studio MSR. So we'll test out how good this really is. You can find all the links down below. Before we continue, if you could just like and subscribe to my videos, that would be much appreciated. And over here you can see the workflow. So we'll first test out the MSR LTX 2.5 MSR. We're using 10 seconds first. Just let me write this 2 seconds so you can understand what's going on. Now we're using the distilled transformation BF16 shape tensor file. You can use the INT8 as well if you want. This is the new LoRa, you can see, Lycon MSR. And over here you have to write details of the images on the upper side. So like this, image 1, image 2, image 3, and image 3 is the scene background. And over here you have to write what the video has to do. Figure 1 is a young man. Now you can see walk side by side past the park, scooter dolly and track along with them, and then it cuts to an over-the-shoulder medium close-up. So now let's see the new custom node, which is right over here. As you can see, ComfyUI LTX 2.5 MSR reference guide. So over here you can see you can use pick 4, pick 5 as well. And this is the new MSR parameters, which I think will boost the quality quite a bit. This is the custom setup. So if you want sigmas, manual sigmas, you can use that, or use the basic one with linear, quadratic, or anything you would like. The scheduler to be 8 steps, and this is the pass 1, and this is pass 2 with the upscaler. First, we'll try pass 1. Let me just click this and show you guys the video.
Bet you can't read that sign.
Okay, you got me there.
I'll teach you sometime.
Well, that looked all right. There were many artifacts with stage 1. If stage 2 was better, we'll see that later. But let's see the LTX 2.3 version with the same commands, same settings and everything. Let's see if this was better or the previous LTX 2.5 one is better. We're using the same linear quadratic 8 steps Euler A, and let me show you guys the video right now.
Bet you can't read that sign.
Okay, you got me there.
I'll teach you sometime.
So as you can see, that was good, but you can see the man was transformed into a girl or something like that. So I gave both one shot, not edited anything out, and I think the 2.5 is much better, but still needs a lot of work. If there is an MSR v2, that would be much better. So now let's try 3 characters and a background. Let's see if this works. This is the LTX 2.5 MSR, and I have edited image 3 prompt as well over here. A young woman wearing a black spaghetti mini dress. And this is the prompt. You can see photorealistic cinema. Okay, tell her the story you just told me. All right. So this is what the prompt is. Let me show you guys the video right now.
Okay, tell her the story you just told me.
All right, so.
This better be good.
So I can say one thing, the audio is much better. That's not because of the MSR, it's just LTX 2.5 is much better in the audio quality than LTX 2.3. And if you add 2 or 3 reference images with characters, it will make plastic looking skin like you can see right here. So now I have written another example, a close-up shot, steady, all 3 seated close to each other. And okay, tell her the story, the same prompt, just the close-up. I'm using that because LTX, when the characters are out of the screen, it makes them a bit bad. So let's try this one out.
Okay, tell her the story you just told me.
All right. So
This better be good. Okay, tell her the story you just told me.
all right. So
This better be good. Okay, tell her the story you just told me.
all right.
So let's see the stage 2 as well now. So the stage 2, we're using the same setup. Let me show you guys. Yeah, the K-sampler select partial upscaler using Euler with manual sigmas, not the linear quadratic. And over here is the video.
Okay, tell her the story you just told me.
All right. So
This better be good.
Well, this is an upgrade from the LTX 2.3 MSR, but I wouldn't say this is better than Minimax, obviously, like they said in the Hugging Face website, but still, you can try this out. I'll give all the links, workflow in the description down below. And if you like this video, then do like and comment down below if you like this video and if you want me to make any other video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.